Howdy. Okay, I like this direction. I like what you're going. I like where you've changed it up a little bit, and I like this whole positioning of the body you have in here. So I think what you need, because it's there's not enough right at the beginning. So I think you need something. Keep this, and just give me a little bit of this. It's going to be subtle. It's not going to be over the top, but that's kind of what you need now. Something that's a little low key and then builds on itself. So, what I'm thinking is something like this where it's like, is it true that there's a place in a man's head? See? Just that. So it's really just, is it true that there's a place in a man's head? And it could even be kind of this counteraction with the head where it's like, is it true that there's a place in a man's head? Although I think really I like the first version. So it's like, is it true that there's a place in a man's head? So it's this progression of boom, boom, and it's really just this thing where it starts subtle and builds on itself a little bit, and you get a little bit of this going in there, and you can even get a little bit of this. So again, kind of a, is it true, or is it true that there's a place in a man's head? You know, Try that. Let me see what you come up with. I like the direction. Keep it going, man.